Welcome to this Packet Tracer Lab. In this Cisco Packet Tracer Lab, we'll learn how to configure SSH remote access on a Cisco router. SSH, Secure Shell, provides encrypted communication between the user and the router, making it a secure alternative to Telnet. In this setup, we have one router connected to a switch, and the switch is connected to a PC. Let's start by assigning the IP address, subnet mask, and the default gateway to the PC. Now go to the router and enter Global Configuration mode. Set the hostname to something meaningful, like R1. Then configure a banner message that displays when someone accesses the router. Next, configure interface GI00 with IP address, subnet mask, and enable it using the no shutdown command. Let's verify connectivity. From the PC, open the command prompt and ping the router's IP address. If you receive replies, the connection between the PC and router is working fine. Now, let's create two users on the router. The first user will be admin, assigned privilege level 15, which gives full administrative access. The second user will be user 1, with normal user privileges. Next, set an enable secret password using enable secret command and configure the domain name with IP domain name mydomain. This domain name is required for SSH key generation. Then go into the line VTY04 configuration mode and use the following commands. Transport input SSH to allow SSH connections only. Login local to use the local user database for authentication. Now, let's configure SSH on the router. Generate the RSA encryption key using the command crypto key generate RSA, and when prompted for key modulus, enter 10 to 4 bits for better security. After that, set IP SSH version to enable the more secure SSH version 2. Finally, exit and save your configuration. Now, go to the PC command prompt and access the router using SSH. Type SSH command with admin user and router IP address. Enter the password when prompted. You'll see that the admin user logs directly into privileged executive mode since it has privilege level 15. Next, log in with the normal user, user 1. Use SSH command with user 1 and router IP address. This time, you'll notice that user 1 starts in user executive mode and must use the enable command to enter privileged executive mode by entering the enable secret password. That's it. We've successfully demonstrated how to configure and test SSH remote access on a Cisco router in Packet Tracer. SSH is a secure and encrypted method of remote access, much safer than Telnet. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more CCNA practical labs and Cisco configuration tutorials.